Kani kade ka kinhon jang kinong Ïakob Ñiah kali ki bahapo ka shatri jang ka KMST Shillong kin semi lashai kasngi ka arpau tarik unaitung arhajar arpusan banlet yeshementa shika jing Ïakob ka beletip kum ka rainforest challenges arhajar arpusan ka banlong hagowa nadu ka arpu pratarik mentau naitung hadu ka lai tarik unailar menta kasnem arhajar arpusan. Hakini ka kinhon banlet shikani ka jing Ïakob endan shiphaungut baro ka ban lam khmat do team director jangkani ka kinhon uba Vicky V Kharkongor bat haka jing Ïakob en Ñiah ekakali do uba Viani B Nongrum u driver ringkat uba Arlen M Khar umnot kiwei pat ki bakintop ru i ki riu shampang ki ban yarap ban penbet penbiang bat lada don kanu ka jing thot ekakali. Kani ka kinhon kalit shagowa de ki kali ha ka bakin hap banyat ling ba kalenti ka bajingai hadu lai hajar kilometer bat kan chimpor kumba saus ngi lenter bat la ai kerteng ye kani ka jingya lenti jongki shakani ka jing Ïakob from the hills to Goa. Lakarshan ye kani ka kinhon de ka Meghalaya tourism ling ba ka tanat sports and youth affairs bat ka hello Meghalaya.
A reason why we are gathered here today is because we are participating in one of the most looked forward 4x4 event in the country, and it's been almost 10 years that we have been waiting for this particular day so that we can go and participate. So first of all, I would like to thank Meghalaya Tourism, who has promoted our endeavor, and Hello Meghalaya and Department of Youth Affairs, through which we are able to join this particular event. For all those who have, I guess, maybe some knowledge about 4x4, 4x4 is basically a kind of vehicle which we use for rough terrains. So, and 4x4 is a sport which is very renowned across the world, and Rainforest Challenge is one of the it's the fifth toughest off-road challenge in the world, and Rainforest Challenge India is the India chapter of it. So I would like to first introduce my team here. This is Viani. He will be our main challenger for the modified category. Mr. Alan, he will be the co-driver, and Albi, he is one of our crew members. And a few of other crew members are still busy working on the vehicle, so they could not join us. So, yeah, so secondly, I would want to talk about the significance of 4x4 in Meghalaya. Now, Meghalaya has a hilly terrain, as we are all aware of, and we are actually good drivers. And when we have seen this across India, you know, the challenge, we have seen that it's really increasing, and there is somewhere that we are lacking, and this particular challenge will give us that kind of an exposure where we can go and compete on a national level. So yeah, so that's about RFC. So this particular trip is, we have a tagline which is called from the hills to Goa. We are also planning to document the whole program. So we will be starting tomorrow at 1 o'clock at midnight, and we are traveling with a team of 3 vehicles, one service vehicle with all the spares and other parts, and the main competition vehicle will be traveling on a trailer.